But first at 5 tonight, Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo says one of the big keys to controlling violent crime in our community is clearing a massive backlog of criminal cases that are right now stuck in the court system.
Fox 26 political reporter Greg Groogan taking a look at what our leaders plan to do about it. Greg?
Yeah, John and Caitlin, Hidalgo believes chipping down the monstrous backlog of criminal cases begins with adding some temporary judges and courtrooms. While that may sound like a sensible fix, an essential component has been left out. In a crime-weary city enduring a 40% year-over-year increase in homicides, the announcement by Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo was clearly meant to assure the public.
Today, it is an emergency initiative. It is to break a vicious cycle of crime and incarceration and make a meaningful dent in our crime rate.
Hidalgo is talking about a proposed $17 million appropriation to hire so-called associate judges and expand jury operations at NRG. According to the Harris County District Attorney's Office, the current criminal case backlog stands at 140,000, with more than half involving felony offenses. Public safety advocate Crime Stoppers Houston has blamed much of the most violent mayhem on activist judges, releasing repeat violent offenders on bond. Today, Commissioner Adrian Garcia appeared to echo that concern.
Just to see that person walk out of the jail almost as fast as the officers finishing their paperwork. That cannot continue to be the case. We have to understand that, and so we're expecting the judges to be a part of an effective system as well. What
Democrats on Commissioner's Court still have not done is grant DA Kim Ogg's long-standing request for more than 100 additional prosecutors, which even many defense attorneys concede is essential to attacking the backlog.
We've got to have prosecutors. So I'm back with the same message that I had several years ago. If you really believe in criminal justice reform, you're going to have to hire people.
Meantime, Harris County's chief public defender publicly denied that violent crime has shown any significant increase, an assertion many in the community labeled fiction.
A lot of what's being said is based on anecdote, not statistics, anecdote.
The numbers are staggering. As I write this, defendants out on multiple felony bonds have killed 127 men, women, children, and unborn children.
Later today, commissioners are scheduled to vote on a resolution drafted by Commissioner Tom Ramsey expressing support for felony bond reform currently before the state legislature. In the newsroom, Greg Groogan, Fox 26 News.